Here's a fan I got yesterday. It's a Montgomery Ward window fan slash box fan. And I'll use this and I'll polish it and everything, but it'll shine up. Here it is on high. There's a ton of air. It has a thermostat. For some reason it says high, even though it's a 3-speed. It's kind of funny. Oh, high super, which is weird. Draws like very little remote, which is surprising too. That's why I wanted it. Has this vinyl stuff, which it looks like it was supposed to be like that. I'm not sure, but apparently you oil it from the front hub, which is weird. I'll have to take it apart, but it'll be a cool fan to work on. That's for sure. I got some others I'll show, but thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.